Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So if the lighting goes in and out, I would like to apologize now. The clouds are playing games with me, but we're gonna get through it. I have a plant haul for you guys that I promised like a week ago, but I finally got all my plants. So now I can record it for you guys. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. Okay, so I got plants from 3 different places. One of them is Mariano's, and the other place is the Sill Chicago. There's one that just opened up in this area on Southport and Roscoe. And then the other one is a small business called Plant Salon. I will link everything for both the Sill Chicago and for Plant Salon in the description box for you guys. The Plant Salon is flippin' gorgeous, okay? And it's a cute little plant spot right on the corner, and it's filled to the brim with plants. Like, I did not think such a small space could have so many plants, but they do. And they also have soil, pots, and other things that are homemade as well. So I will link that down if you guys are interested in checking them out. So first things first, let's do the Mariano's plants because they're the ones that are not packaged up. The first one's this one. Isn't she lovely? It's a peperomia that right there. I'm not gonna pretend that I can even pronounce these guys, okay? So we have that one. I just thought this hanger was just so cute too. Like, and it was $12, I believe, for this. So not too shabby. So I got that one. So the second plant I was super excited for because I've always wanted one of these, and I just haven't gotten around to getting one. I don't really know why. I just haven't gotten one yet. So I was super excited when I saw this, and I think this was like $12 or $15 as well. These plants are super low maintenance from what I've heard, and they propagate really easily. Like, even if you look in here, there's already right there, and on this side as well at the very end, right up top right there, there's already 2 little babies forming. So that's always exciting as well. And then we'll do the Sill next. So I only got 2 plants from there. And if this isn't the most accurate statement ever, they have like a hoodie that says plants make people happy, and I might definitely have to go back there and grab that. But anywho, I got this one, and it's the I'll put the name on the screen for you guys. But yeah, so this is a Dieffenbachia. Anyway, super cute, super beautiful. Love it, love it. And then this one I'm uber excited for. So it's a coffee plant. Look how cute she is. So it's an Arabica coffee pot. I think this one was 12. Hold on, they sent me an e-receipt. Let me pull up the prices. So the other one, the Dieffenbachia, was $14, and then this one was $10, which is not bad. So isn't it so cute? This one's probably the one I'm most excited for, because if it could get big and eventually give me coffee beans, that would be pretty freaking cool, don't you think? So there's that one. And then this one is from the Plant Salon, like I said earlier. So let's start with this guy. Isn't she beautiful? So this is a Syngonium Plum Illusion. This one was $10. Like, look at, I love Syngoniums. I just think they're so pretty. And this color, I kind of like that it's not like a pure green. Like, it kind of just gives, like, look at that. That's just, it's so pretty. Just kind of gives, you know, a different vibe there. And then, I don't remember the name of this one. I kind of already forgot. But there's this one. I'll put it on the screen when I remember. Just right now, my brain can't remember what it is. What did I buy? Anywho. And then the next one is this guy right here. And this is a Marble Queen Pothos. Like, look at those leaves. Look at, just, oh, so pretty. I just love plants so much. Like, isn't this? Anyway, I could sit here and talk all day about it. But yeah, so got this guy as well. And then this last one was too cute to pass up, okay? Like, can we just have a moment for this guy? Like, look at him. He's just, he's so cute. I just couldn't say no. He was only $4. And it's a polka dot plant. And it's just, it was just too cute to pass up. Like, I just love that for me. So anyway, that's all the plants. Oh, and the pothos was $12. So that's it, guys. It's all my new plants, babies that I got. I'm super excited because, as you guys know, I redid the sunroom back here, so I have all this beautiful shelf to fill up with even more plants to come. But those are the 8 that I got so far. This Synghonia might have to be repotted pretty quickly because her roots are already, hello, ma'am. She has already got some thick roots there. And I have this Syngonium, and then I have the Syngonium white butterfly back here hiding. I don't want to drop it. There you go. So I think the leaves are funky. I think they're cute. Anyway, I will try to get one more garden video up at least for you guys. I'll try to get to probably one because it is already September, which, first of all, how is 2020 the longest year in the world? But 2021, it's like you blink and we're basically in holiday season already. Like, this is insane. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will write the Plant Salon and the Sill Chicago stuff in the description box for you below. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.